sport response. Oof. I just pressed the boost option.
Okay, so he hit the boost. Right here is gonna be me and Pan and my wife's ride for the test drive later. Beautiful car. This is, I think it's a brand new Panamera. Love this color. This color is absolutely amazing. Oh, this is a Panamera Turbo too. Panamera Turbo. Wow. Sweet. So check this out, guys. Pan is driving the Panamera right now.
Panamera Turbo.
Yeah, it is a turbo. We're getting ready to head up to the mountain to watch the sunset. It's gonna be a really cool time. Pan's driving it up. I'll be driving it back. I'll take some footage on the way up as he's driving, and hopefully this is a great time. It's gonna be. We're excited right now already.
Oh,
he's
like
so anxious. He is. He's so freaking anxious right now. But we'll catch up to you in a minute. So this car has a turbo button. I've never heard of a car having that before. I guess I don't pay attention to
20-second boost option.
20-second boost.
Fast and Furious.
Yeah.
My brother used to say.
And we got it, and it's on empty.
Yeah. It's on please refuel mode.
Please refuel is what that says. But the mountains are beautiful here. Hope the GoPro does it justice. I don't know if you consider those mountains. I guess they are, right?
This is one place you don't see gas stations on the highway.
Yep. Yep, that's true. So we were following this old Porsche Speedster right here.
Siphoning out of another car.
See? Please refuel.
And it's not even giving us a mileage reading anymore.
No.
You're on your own. 92-degree weather outside.
Yep, we got cactus. It's just crazy. I've never been anywhere like this before with cactus everywhere.
Yeah, it's different.
What kind of tree you want in your front yard? I want a cactus.
Well, your choice of cactus or cactus.
Which one would you like?
Yeah. Oh man.
Different kind of cactus.
Man, this is beautiful though. Yeah, we need a tunnel.
Yeah. That would be crazy. Jeez.
Whoa. Holy smokes, that's got some pull. Whew. And we're being followed by a McLaren. You guys can see that in the rearview mirror.
Can we see it if we put it into the back window?
What, the McLaren?
Yeah.
You might be able to, yeah. Put it back here.
Can you see anything?
Yeah, you can see it.
Spoilers up.
I know, sort of, kind of.
Yep. You can see it in the mirror.
That's how cops can tell if you're speeding or not. Because it pops up at a certain,
55.
speed there, and
It's supposed to be.
no, it went back down. It must be the same thing for this one.
But
too.
you can also make it stay up all the time.
Yeah,
Somehow in this.
somehow.
Look at this, you guys. This is ridiculous.
No
This is
more
all
buttons.
black when you turn it off.
All digital readout.
We couldn't figure out how to turn the AC on. We couldn't figure out how to get the blower to blow more air on us, and it was hot in here. Because what is the temp?
92
It's
outside.
92. We were baking in that sun, testing those products out. It was crazy. Shifts really quick.
Yep. PDK. Porsche double Kaplung in German, something like that. Sorry to any German viewers who are listening to this. This thing hauls.
How many horsepower did you say this thing probably has?
It should be pushing towards 600.
Yep. That's crazy.
Is that somebody from us? No.
Somebody from Alberta, though.
Alberta King.
We might be walking back.
There's launch control on this thing too. Yeah.
Oh, it does have launch control?
Oh yeah.
Holy crap.
Mash the foot on the brake,
Gas
foot
for
on the
that.
gas, put it in Sport Plus, and you're good to go. I think we're gonna try one.
Yeah, we need to try. I've never been in a car. I've been in a car that has it, but I've never been in a car to do it.
I do it in mine and my BMW M550i. It's, oh my god. So this one must be even crazier.
This guy got right in front of you. You're gonna have to get back to that speedster. We are right into rush hour too.
Yeah. Really?
Good job, Jeep. That doesn't get old.
Nope. All day.
Yeah, that sounds really nice.
This please refuel crap is annoying me though.
My guess is the owner's like, you know, if we make the gas low enough to get there and back, they ain't gonna drive it real hard.
Let's scare them.
Smart.
You can hear the turbo spooling up.
Mm-hmm.
It's like a polite burble though. It's like a...
It's not annoying.
It's not an AMG Mercedes.
That's good. That is nice. Dang, it's got some power. And it's probably not even all of it either, right?
Nope. Maybe halfway in the gas pedal.
Can't believe there are no gas station.
I know.
Yeah.
We couldn't find one yesterday. It took us forever to find a gas station yesterday.
That's probably why it's low on fuel. The guy's like, listen, I have no idea.
There he is.
In my own state.
There he is.
There's the McLaren up back.
As long as we can all make it through that the green light. Hey, bro, this would be a nice little family wagon. We can put the kids back there.
Sure.
Thank you,
This
YouTube.
Castaway that
Yeah.
I know about.
Turning right.
That would be.
It's good that he's signaling with his hand because we
Yeah,
can barely see that.
you
little
can't
turn.
see those lights.
That's probably why James Dean died. Couldn't signal properly.
Yeah.
I have a feeling that was another issue. Just signaling.
Some light beverages.
Well, we were driving out in the desert earlier yesterday, and every street corner had some weird piece of art on it. Like some really weird stuff. Weren't there? And they're like painted all funny. Kind of like those stupid candy canes.
Oh, that's it. We're out of fuel. Can't move anymore. We're done. I'm joking.
Yeah, you're
Imagine
lucky.
the pilot tells you that, and when you're flying, yep, guys, we're done.
That's it.
We're done. Super quick shifts.
Man, it just puts you in your seat.
They made it to the airport. They just didn't have enough fuel to get to the gates, and they had to be towed. Yeah.
Sport response. Oof. I just pressed the boost option.
Okay, so he hit the boost. You guys okay back there?
We're fine. Just get a little, might have a little whiplash afterwards.
Yeah, unfortunately, there's not a real place to just open it.
No.
Oh gosh.
A lot of people didn't pick up on your need to see the MSDS sheet.
No, eh?
Yeah,
No.
not a lot of people out there picked it up.
So it was good
people
for
don't
the
know
ones who
what it
knew.
The one that knew, though, we laughed. Other guys were kind of looking at each other.
What was he talking about?
Yeah, he's on it. He's gone.
Is he?
Yeah.
God. Okay, buddy.
So it's giving you a little leeway there. Like, okay, come on, yeah, push it. Push it. Push it
Dude, that's sick.
Woo.
He said, come on. He said, come on.
Did he?
Yeah. him take off?
Okay, buddy. And he's really rolling too.
Okay, now he's...
Wow. We were flying.
I wish I'd have had the camera.
McLaren's not even keeping up.
I wish I'd have had the camera turned, dang it. Yeah, we're gonna have, I'm not gonna get to drive it, we're gonna be out gas.
Yeah, well, we'll have to push it.
You know what, we'll ask if they can go refuel it or something.
Oh man. Yeah, because you're barely even in the red anymore. He's going though, it's crazy.
That's because he doesn't know we're out of gas.
Sweet Jesus.
Wow.
Jeez. Wow. That was
My
like
seatbelt didn't tighten that time.
30 miles an hour, guys.
Yeah, that's all it was, yeah. Yeah, it wasn't bad at all.
He's giving it though.
Yeah, but he knows these roads.
Yes. The McLaren, we lost it. Goodbye, McLaren. Look at that bird.
Yep, he just walked right across the street. He walked into
That's a brave bird right there.
That'd be
Okay, so look like we're getting
A
into
roadrunner,
the
yeah, I'm
desert.
guessing.
Yeah.
Well, this is nice, windy roads. Oh God. And it brakes like crazy. Sorry, ladies.
No, there's a dead end right. What? Hang on, he pointed forward. I don't know what he meant by that. There's the McLaren. See, I won't drive it like that. I'll drive it.
He's like, no. What is that? No, yeah.
I don't know. Maybe he's trying to tell us or something.
Something.
Oh, he's turning right.
Oh yeah. So that's where we turned. Okay. Ranch Gate.
Toll Brothers.
Serrano Canyon.
Yeah.
Oh, I could launch control.
He said
Sing,
watch. He's
watch.
watching.
Look at the view.
Yep.
No, I think he's waiting for people.
Yeah, he's waiting for people to catch up.
So pull up.
Yep.
Hey,
Or is this where we're stopping? Well, we made it on gas, but there's not much left. They're bringing us a jerry can. Pan used all that was left.
It says refuel immediately.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Refuel or die.
Yep.
Like, this is the worst possible place in scorching desert weather.
Be out of gas.
Oh yeah.
So check out this McLaren. It's ridiculous, man. It sounds like a race car when it's sitting there running. This is not a car for somebody like me, though. I'm just too. I think I'm too tall.
Yeah.
I don't know. I mean,
Sit in it.
Let me try.
I will. I'll sit in it after Pan does.
I know.
This is not for tall people at all. It's beautiful. Look at the dash.
Not for tall people.
Oh no. This carbon fiber is amazing. The dash, everything's absolutely gorgeous. But I just couldn't do it. It's all digital.
Oh, man, you're a little bit taller than me, I think, right, man?
Ugh.
Like 5:55 at the max, but the gates are going to close at 6.
Okay.
So we'll have
Oh yeah. That's what they said. The rush. Yeah, because then what happens is when I had released the hybrid ceramic wax, it was only available in the US. I had to cross the border, get a bottle, come back. So Canadian viewers were like, where can I get it? Nowhere. And then the UK, same thing, nowhere. It took you guys a while before you got that one. And there's other stuff that get released in the US that we don't get.
Yeah, I see a lot of
It's nice that for the wax.
I have the directions
Oh,
here.
he's opening it up. Oh yeah.
Oh, bad idea.
Yeah.
Bad idea. He's saying slow down. He's gonna be saying that to a lot of people
yeah.
right there. Oh man. No, we run out of gas. Screw it.
Yep.
It's not our car.
Nope.
As long as we don't damage it.
I'm not even stressed.
Yep. Well, now you're good. Your insurance is done. Now it's my insurance. This is pretty.
That's beautiful. We're going to be turning left on Ranch Gate Road, East Ranch Gate Road.
But he said we were going a different way home.
No, he didn't.
Yeah, he did.
I've got the
You got,
instructions.
oh, you got the instructions. Okay.
I
We
do.
got the way back.
He said, slow down, dude. I'm doing 38 mile an hour.
Take my horse to the old town road.
That is most likely at the stop.
Yeah, this sport mode, that's why it's using so much freaking gas.
Yeah.
Oh, is this where we stopped earlier?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's north 118.
Yep, north 118.
Turn left on north 118. Continue.
He's gone.
He's giving it the beans.
All right, I guess. I'm a grandpa driver, man. Always have been. I guarantee that's an expensive house.
Yep.
Actually, be kind of cool. They did it different. If they did every year, but in different locations.
Yes. Yep, other places in the U.S.
Every time I hit it, just let off.
Gurgling.
Put it on. Well, you're already on Sport Plus.
Yeah.
All you have to do, press the brake pedal all the way
And the
down.
gas at the same time.
Mash the gas. Well, brake pedal first, all the way down. Gas pedal all the way. The RPMs are going to start. You're going to see launch control. You let go of the brake, and that's it. On Porsches and Audis, it's super simple. My Beamer 2 is pretty much the same thing. Sport Plus, brake, gas.
Anybody behind us?
Yep.
Yeah, man, the brake kind of hard. Just because are we
Are you going straight?
I don't think so. Nobody's telling me what I'm supposed to be doing.
You're good. You're good.
Yep. So
You'll be turning left
let
at
him
some
some
point.
space and try it. Yep, he's doing it.
There's a bump right there, though. You know what I'll do?
What are you doing?
Yeah, do it quickly. Okay, mash. There you go. Isn't that sick?
I was not expecting that.
It hooked right away.
It did. It said launch control as soon as it got there.
Oh yeah.
Woo! I'm glad I did that.
Let's
That's
not
a
tell the guy
rush.
we did
All-wheel
that.
drive, just going forward. No tire spinning. Nothing. Hooked up right away.
Man. Wow. Oh man, that was a blast. I've never done a launch control before, so that
Oh, yeah,
was
first time?
awesome. Yeah.
Awesome.
Yep. Because on customers' cars,
Yeah.
when they bring them in, we treat them with respect.
Yeah.
We didn't drive them like stupid unless they told us to.
Yeah.
But,
Oh, you could do this all day.
oh man, that's a blast.